Hi, this is a demonstration of sentiment analysis using Ludwig. In the previous video we saw sentiment analysis using a command called experiment, wherein training and prediction was combined together. In this video we'll see how a training model is obtained, and from the training model how we can predict. So I'm using the same input features whatever is there and output features. The one thing which is changed is the CSV file, where I have taken the IMDb CSV file. So this is my CSV file, which is having two columns. First is a review and whether it is positive or negative, and we have a YAML file wherein the name of the file is review. It's a text. We are using a parallel CNN. Level word is a default, and the output would be the name called sentiment, and it's a categorical variable, a positive or a negative. Let's see how it works. So last time we used experiment, this time we'll use Ludwig train data underscore CSV. I'm gonna place the test file model definition file, and I'll place my model YAML and run this. So now it starts running. So there are some default values if you don't put. One is the number of epochs is 100 by default, and the early stop is also set to 3. You can put the random seeds, so on and so forth by the time this runs. So what we can do is we can just wait for some time for the epochs to run. As you see, the accuracy started with about 49%, training, validation 53, test is 54, and this is going on, and it has stopped at 8th epoch with validation accuracy of 53 and test accuracy of 54. Nothing great, but let's see how it goes. So the results are in experiment run 0. So there are two files as usual created. One is the JSON, which is having the mapping, and HDFI is the file which has the data. Let's go into results. So this results will look a bit different from the previous video, where the results folder from experiment. Here we have description, training statistics the same way, and we have a folder called model. So this is our model file, wherein whatever we have run, the parameters would be stored, and which with these parameters we can use to predict. You can go through all the JSONs once again. I'll just go back and try to see what is my prediction. So I have a predict CSV which has some of the hand-picked reviews which I just manually copied it from IMDb. So what I've done is the first 6 lines, whatever is the positive reviews, and the next 4 lines are the negative reviews. So in deep learning, if your model training data set is in terms of few hundreds, please do not use deep learning. It will not be very accurate, and it is not meant for smaller data sets. Machine learning can be used. For deep learning you need good amount of data to predict. So let's use this predict function, wherein Ludwig predict data CSV. I'm going to give the predict CSV as an input, and I'll give model underscore path, the path wherever the last previous training data set was trained. So it is experiments and model. So enter. Now what happens is we are giving the model as the input, and the results are stored in results underscore 0. Let's see. So here also we have the prediction statistics and other things, and this is the prediction data set. Here everything is misclassified. As I said, the first 6 lines were positive and the last 4 lines were negative. So we can even check what is the prediction, the probability of the prediction. Most of the things are in the range of 50 60, 70. So this is not a very good model. In the next video we'll see how to tune the hyperparameters and how the predictions could be much more accurate than the normal settings. Thanks for watching the video.